I didn't come for answers. I came to feel, to touch a heritage that still breathes. The Medina. Every wall, every face tells a story of traditions that never left. Where past and present meet, I stand where families once lived, laughed, celebrated, cried, and shared life.
الله يعطيك الصحة على التكشيفة. شكون اللي خدم هذا الشيء؟
The tea, once the heart of every gathering, still carries those voices. Same leaves, same ritual, same love. Sometimes I wonder, is the scent of spices here the same as it was centuries ago, when women ground them by hand, turning them into flavors that filled homes with life? I think yes, because some things never fade. I didn't expect to belong, but here I am, remembering what I never lived. Angsana Heritage Collection, Marrakech Riads.